comparator. The title of the experiment is using 741 op-amp design window comparator for any given UTP. UTP is upper triggering point. It is one of the reference voltage, and LTP, lower triggering point, and simulate the same. Components required are 741 IC, which is an op-amp, and we require 2 diodes, resistor of 1 kilo ohm, DC regulated power supply for the reference voltages, drainer kit for connecting the circuit, and signal generator for giving the input. So, before going to the window comparator, let us see what exactly is an op-amp. Operational amplifier. The application of an op-amp is, op-amp can be used as a comparator. What is comparator is? Comparator is a circuit which is used to compare an input voltage with a reference voltage and produces an output. That is an op-amp. This is an op-amp. Op-amp can be written like this. This is a symbol of an op-amp. Op-amp will have 2 terminals and 1 output. 2 input and 1 output. That is, one is non-inverting input and other is inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal, inverting terminal, and only 1 output. So, depending on where exactly the input is given, to which terminal of the op-amp the input is given, it has been classified into 2 types of comparator. That is inverting comparator and non-inverting comparator. Inverting comparator, it is called as inverting comparator. You can see input is given to the inverting terminal of an op-amp. Hence, it is called as inverting comparator. Obviously, other terminal will have a V reference voltage and we have only 1 output. Here, in non-inverting terminal, if an input is given to the non-inverting terminal of an op-amp, it is called as non-inverting comparator. This inverting comparator compares the input with the reference voltage and produces an output. So, this is an equation. This is an equation for an inverting comparator, that is V reference minus Vi in is equal to V out. That is, if Vi in is greater than V reference, the output will be negative. If Vi in is less than V reference, output will be positive, that is plus Vsat. Similarly, for non-inverting comparator, this is an equation, Vi in minus V reference is equal to V out. If Vi in is greater than V reference, it goes to the positive, output will be positive voltage. When Vi in is less than V reference, the output will be minus Vsat, that is negative voltage. What exactly is a comparator is? Comparator output indicates whether the input is greater than the reference voltage or less than the reference voltage.
Start.
Coming to the window comparator. As we already know what exactly is inverting comparator and non-inverting comparator, window comparator is a combination of 2 different types of comparator. That is, you can see this is an inverting comparator. The top one is an inverting comparator because input is given to the inverting terminal, and the bottom one is a non-inverting comparator because input is given to non-inverting terminal of an op-amp. You can see a window comparator has 2 comparator and it has a common input voltage. The input voltage is common to both the comparator. It is called as window comparator because it compares the input voltage with a specified band or specified range or a window of a reference voltage. This is a window. We have 2 reference voltages here. This is one reference voltage called as LTP, that is lower triggering point. This is another reference voltage called as UTP. LTP is a reference voltage for the first comparator and UTP is a reference voltage for the second comparator. So, we have taken LTP as minus 3 volt and UTP as 3 volt. The specified band is from minus 3 volt to 3 volt. The range between minus 3 volt to 3 volt is called as specific band or window. As we saw previously, input was compared to a single reference voltage and it was producing the output. Whereas in window comparator, input is compared with this range. It will check whether the input is exceeding this range or not. That is, if an input is within the range of minus 3 volt to 3 volt, output will be low. So, if an input is not within the range, if an input is within the range of minus 3 volt to 3 volt, which is called as window, then output goes low. when the input is not within this range, then the output remains high. So since the input is compared with the range, it is called as window comparator. The detailed working of window comparator operation will be explained in the theory class, and we can see that there are two diodes. Only when both the diodes are positive, or when both the diodes are positive, output goes high. When both the diodes, both input to the diodes are negative, then both will be reverse biased and output goes low. The output goes low only when the input voltage is within the range of minus 3 volt to plus 3 volt. We'll see what exactly it is. Input given to this is a sine wave, that is an AC wave which has 10 volt peak to peak amplitude. So this is an input given to the window comparator. It is a sine wave. We can see that above the x-axis is the input positive and below the x-axis is an input negative. We can see that these are the two reference voltage taken, that is minus 3 volt and 3 volt. Within this range, this is the voltage which is lying between the range of minus 3 to plus 1. And here also you can see this part of voltage is lying between minus 3 volt to minus 3 volt to plus 3 volt. And this part of voltage is also lying between this range. So we can see that at this voltage, when the input voltage is within the range, output goes low. Output goes low. Other than that, when it is exceeding the range, you can see that it is more than plus 3 volt, output goes high. Here it is below minus 3 volt, output goes high. This is the output of the window comparator. This is called as a window. Why is it called as a window? This output is low at the range when the input is within the range of minus 3 volt to plus 3 volt. As I told, output goes low when it is in the range of minus 3 volt to plus 3 volt. This voltage is called as